Aurora's boat that flies progresses through preliminary testing. IEN. The Boeing subsidiary's Liberty Lifter X-plane could reinvent the seaplane. Below are your comments. The Soviets proved the science behind this concept in the 70s. They designed and flew several ground effects aircraft in the Caspian Sea. It was a technology that was ahead of its time then, but may prove more efficient today. Howard Hughes would be so happy with this new goose. A waste of resources. The Soviet tried. They built several types of seaplanes using the ground effect and eventually gave up on them. Yes, they work well, in good weather, but just add a little turbulence over the sea and well, they don't work that well. Howard Hughes built that years ago. They called it the Spruce Goose. They should just copy and update his design with modern materials. Howard Hughes did it with the Spruce Goose, 1944 to 1947. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.